Welcome back to another home updates video. Today we're going to be focusing on creating a cozy space for the guest bedroom and the bathroom, and I have a little bit of footage of the progress on our front porch and a few little fall things that I picked up at Target. So let's get started. Close your eyes. For the main chunk of this video, we're going to be focusing on creating an inviting space in our guest bedroom. We ordered this bed a while back and it came a couple weeks ago. It's a really pretty and sturdy black metal bed. We got it from Living Spaces, and we just hung up our curtains in here. These are like an off-white curtain, and we hung them all the way up to the ceiling. This is the smallest room in the house and it's shaped really awkward, so we're going to work with what we have without overdoing it in here, but still creating a cozy, warm, and inviting space. So close your eyes. Do you feel the same? Only thing that matters without change. I will let you into my mind. So obviously we did some shopping and I could not pass up this nightstand that I found at home. It has additional surface space at the top that you can pull out, and then there's a drawer at the bottom along with a little shelf for baskets. I found this lamp that I thought would be perfect for this room. I got that from Target. And speaking of Target, the majority of the bedding that's in here is from there except for 2 of the accent pillows. These are humming in between the contrasts of our souls. So the blanket is definitely a little wrinkled, but I am going to hit it with the steamer before our guests arrive. But I'm going to go with this as my base, as it is going to be getting cold during the fall and winter. I thought it was perfect. It's an off-white color with black trim, and it's perfect to layer to add a little bit more warmth. So this blanket is so nice, you guys. It's actually meant for the foot of your bed, so it lays perfectly. It is reversible, at least that's how I'm going to be using it, but you'll see me play around with it to see how I ended up layering all of this. And I figured out that I do like the knit blanket on first and then that reversible blanket on top. Stop the clocks, the bees are humming in between the contrasts of our soul. So if you've been keeping up with my home updates videos, some of these things may look familiar to you. Starting with this picture, I got this from Hobby Lobby along with my little 4-foot myrtle plant. I'm going to be decorating this little corner in the guest bedroom. I got this planter from Home Goods years ago, and I'm just going to stuff it with some old paper that we had laying around just to give my plant a little bit more height. It's like I waited all my life, so happy that I found you on paper thin. I haven't always been this shy, but haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest? I'm not too worried about the fingerprints on the TV because we are going to be replacing this one with a newer one and then mounting it on the wall to free up some space. When I want this, maybe you want it too, so I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you. I can see the sun shadow all my life.
So I wasn't happy with just that long lumbar pillow on the bed. I just felt like it was missing something. So I found these two reversible throw pillows at Walmart, and I love how luxurious they feel. They feel super expensive. I think they were only $17 a piece. I'm gonna hit it with my fabric sanitizer. Love this stuff. It smells so good. And obviously it sanitizes, so it's perfect for throw pillows. I'm gonna add this smaller lumbar pillow I already had. I think I got this from Home Goods years ago.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed.
Moving on to the guest bathroom, I'm gonna add a little bit of color using this linen shower curtain I found at Target by the Casaluna brand. I definitely wanted some kind of color in here because we had so much white going on with the rugs and the shower curtain, so I actually really love how it turned out.
Even though you wouldn't do the same, I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same, had this conversation more than 10 times.
Adding in a little bit of fall in here, I'm going to use some dried florals that I already had, and I'm just going to pick some of the stems out of this bunch and add them in.
7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same, I'd give you the world like I promised I would.
I'm definitely happy that I saved these dried florals from last year, and I love how it ties in with the shower curtain. These are definitely one of the easiest shower curtain hooks to work with because they're double-sided. So one side will hold your liner, the other side will hold your shower curtain. So if you want to quickly change out your shower curtain, you don't have to take the entire thing down. If you're limited on towel hanging space for your guests, this rod is perfect for your guest bathroom because it's a double rod, so one side will hold your shower curtain and the other rod will hold any towels that they need to hang up. So it's perfect for that, and it also creates more space in your shower. Moving on to a few tiny additions, I found these 2 ceramic pumpkins at Target. I thought they were perfect for my dining room table, and I also found this little candle holder, and I love how you can just layer a candle on top of. I'm definitely going to be using this one year round. And last but not least, we got some things for our front patio. We needed to bring it to life and to make it look like somebody lives there. And we could not pass up on these huge mums. I love how full and pretty these are. And I like that they haven't bloomed fully yet. So we got some planters, soil, we got some hydrangeas. Footage might not be the best because I didn't want to show too much of the outside of our house, but I still wanted to show you guys some of the progress that we're making out there. So we actually ended up purchasing 3 of these really large mums. We have one on each side of our garage door and then one up by the front door. And then at the bottom of the steps, we have some hydrangeas that haven't bloomed yet. We decided to stick with all black planters because our house is all white with black accents. Black planters kind of stand out a little bit more. Then we have some smaller mums in the planter boxes on top of the railing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and the progress that we're slowly making to our new home. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.